Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Merry almost Christmas. Well, as you know, Planmas is still going on. We are nearing the end of the Planmas fun though, so today's day 11 of announcing a giveaway and day 10 giveaway announced winner. Can you even believe it? But for those of you who don't know, I am doing Planmas. It is ending soon. I'm doing a giveaway for my version of the 12 Days of Christmas, which is the 12 days of my videos. And I am giving away something in hopes to give back to the planner community, but also to reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Now, I've actually extended it a little bit and made it before the end of my 1 year, which is like the first week of January. So that gives me a little bit more time. But also I figured that would make it like one official year on YouTube. And so that's my hope to do that. So today get this out of the way, let's get to the good stuff. This lovely Make Things Happen sticker book, which I absolutely love. It has got a coffee cup right on the front, and that means it is good in my book. Always. The winner is Tina Cooley. Tina Cooley. What a neat name, because she's cool, just considering it. So let me know, girl, and I'll get this shipped to you. And then for today, because it is one of my favorite things ever, and my favorite names ever, and my favorite, what I like to consider myself, Boss Babe collection. This is a multi-pack. I feel like these are the best things ever, like truthfully. The only thing, they're just the best things ever. I don't really even have anything negative to say. They're just really great, just all the way around. But the thing I've used the least on these packs is the sticky notes, because I do have sticky notes punched in. Although, you know what I did? Let's talk about a fun hack. In fact, I probably will post this on Instagram tomorrow as well, or today, or whatever time I decide to do it. But if you are running out of, like, Christmas name tags, there we go, tags from like to, who, to, and from, and I put a sticky note on it, and then just put a little piece of tape at the bottom to secure it a little bit more, and write the name of your to and from. And there's so many of them, you will not run out, and you will probably save a little bit of money if you were not going to use them otherwise. And they're just as cute, and they're so happy. So, pro tip, use them. But to enter this giveaway, now that I've gone on that rant, make sure you're a current subscriber, you like this video, and leave me a comment below of what you do for a living. And when I say what you do for a living, what you do for your career. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or whatever your career might be, your life choice, I would love to know. Or for those men out there, probably a few of you, I would like to know the same. So whatever your career choice might be. And I think it's awesome if men plan. And I also would like to remind you that we will be going live again this Friday night at 9 p.m. and announcing the giveaway winner from last week's live. But me and my husband are going to go live, and we're going to do something fun. Haven't totally decided what it's going to be, but we're going to do something fun for that. So without further ado, now let's get started with the video. Alright, if you saw me set up my transformer planner, this is it, and I'm about to transform it into the Faith Planner. Now, I'm not sure how it's going to work with the baggy bag in the middle, but we're going to give it a shot. So this is the last planner that I really have not done any much setup with. I can totally talk, guys. And I'm going to show you just a little bit of how I'm going to do a little plan with me and show you how I'm going to decorate and use this planner. So I'm going to pull out this page, and I'm actually going to do a little bit of filling out, and then I'm probably going to pull out this page. Talk about like the most bang for your buck. It's this planner right here. All right, so, and then I will put it back in my planner. Okay. I'm going to start over here. Don't get myself confused that way. All right, so important dates. I am going to put birthdays, even though I'm going to put this in like 5 location, but I want to remember to give thanks for these people. And I'm probably not going to write the dates. I'm probably just going to put the people. Okay, then I'm going to, on favorite passages, I'm actually going to pull a sticker from the Faith Planner. And I had done something that I wanted. I found something that I liked. Where was it? Where was it? I'm sleepy, guys. It's been a long, long day. My hubby's sick, and he's like the whiniest person when he's sick, just so you know. I don't know if your menfolk are like that. Whatever is true, honest, just, pure, lovely, of good rapport, think of these things. Love it. That's going to be 1, and I might add 1 more to... Ooh. I'm going to do 1 up there. And I might add more to it as the like month gets going, but I am not going to. Oh gosh, I just pinned myself. Jeremiah. Making sure I get the right. It's written on my wall. And I'm not the best verse memorizationist. I just made up that word, I'm pretty sure. So I want to make sure that I'm, keeping on point. So what I'm probably going to do is fill out this section a little bit closer to the first of the year, because this is obviously January. It's the first week of January. So I want to make sure that it's ready for the new year, but I probably will do this reflection right before that day. So I'm going to push this over to the side, and now let's get started in the week. All right, so obviously you have your soaps, which is supposed to be for your Bible study section, or whatever it is that you are going to be studying for this period of time. So I'm going to probably try to find a good Bible study to start the year with, a devotional that will help keep me on point with things I want to do, and just really get going. The Mercy Like Morning, it's a 7-day devotional, and I'm going to go through and write the the things at the top of each week so I can get that portion done. Okay, realizing that I just spelled laminations wrong, like twice in here. Oh well. Alright, so this is the start of this particular one for the week. This is just the Bible app that I'm going to be using. So if you want to download this Bible app, I'm probably going to try to find a way to incorporate, maybe not necessarily on video, but in my Facebook group, just kind of a Bible study together. I'm going to get familiarized with what I'm doing, so once I get going, we can follow along together. But I hope to start this after the first of the year. So the one that I'm planning to use is the Mercy Like Morning, and just a 7-day devotional just to keep things going. So obviously a lot of this is more journal related. There's very little design work in this particular area. Although I am going to be using a little bit. So I'm going to show you exactly, and then we're going to move on to the next page. I'm going to put this on to the side. I really want to start, this is something that's really important to me, but it always seems like the first thing that gets pushed aside because it's extremely optional. It shouldn't be. It should be the most non-optional thing in my life, but it feels extremely optional. So I want to try to keep it, you know, as a level of importance. And you know what that means because, oh, I'm ripping a sticker. You know what that means. It means that you need to put it on your planner in the main planner that you're going to be using to keep it on schedule. I will also say, obviously, I am using the faith planner for this particular purpose. If you have a different faith or you want to do it a different way, you know, it gives you the total options to do so. And if you want to try to do something that's a little bit less, like if you want to use it more as your main planner and not more as this one's like really is a faith planner, just cover with washi and then you're good to go. Okay, and then what they did good is putting stuff for the margins since they're so, you know, so much. All right, so I'm going to move on to the next page now. So what I'm going to do, like I said, is for each day that I start, which obviously I did at the start of the first of the week, which is on New Year's Eve. It's a great way to start the year, I feel like, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that as is. I'm not waiting till the first, although I know it'll be crazy right now because my sister's coming into town and she's getting nuts. So starting this the first of the year, and then I'll use these verses to look at the observation, the application in each one, and I will journal that every single day. So now let's look at, and I would like to know from you, leave me in the comments, if you are going to do something like this, let me know whether or not you do it in the morning or in the evening. I would like to know what you do because I feel like I'm inclined to say evening, but I also have something I want to do in the morning. So I'm just curious what all your thoughts are. Okay, now on this page, I am a big fan of a daily gratitude journal. I think it's a really important thing to kind of keep track of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip in a sheet of filler paper, and I'm going to have to probably do it later, but I'm going to keep something I'm grateful for every single day, and then I'm going to use a habit tracker to track what I am doing. My reading is going to be easy because they obviously already have these habit trackers ready to go, so these are going to be really easy to be able to do. And then they have 3 habit trackers that you can use for whatever reason that you are, whatever reason. So they have prayer, and I'm just going to add in here morning. And they obviously have gratitude, but I want to make sure that I'm starting my morning with morning gratitude. And then I'm going to put on here kids' prayers because it's just as important for me to sit down and pray with my children, even though I, you know, am hit or miss. We always pray before dinner, but like I don't know if I pray. And then spouse, and this is just going to be to kind of see how he is along the way. I would like for him to get started on one as well for the first part of the year. So down in this section, the grateful for, I'm going to put a few tabs and I'm going to fill this out as the first part of the year. I know that they have them somewhere, yeah. And like I said, this grateful for is going to be more of like a grateful for the entire week, like one big grateful for. And new year, new goals, same family. That seems really silly, but for real, I know a lot of people who are getting divorced right now, and it's very sad to me. So I just want to be thankful that I am still married. Sometimes happily. No. Oh, I have to say that he edits my videos. Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty light on the decor for this, but I love the simplicity of it and the functionality of it. And I will probably do the blessings this week as I go on through the week. So just to kind of recap how I'm going to be using this planner so you can get a good idea. And if you don't have this planner, someone mentioned them selling these pages separately. I haven't seen them, but it doesn't mean that they don't exist. Oh, sermon notes. I love that too. Okay, so let's bring this bad boy back over. So what I would suggest, and then with my monthly, it's probably just going to get used for more worship stuff with church, like dates and stuff I need to remember. And, you know, I may even try to use this a little bit for the gratitude, but I'm going to figure out how that's going to work. But I started at a good start last year, and I want to start again this year, but I woke up every morning, and the first thing I did is I just wrote something I was thankful for. As soon as my eyes opened and I was able to like really think about what I was doing, I just wrote something I was thankful for that day, and it really just started my day off very well. Well, somewhere along the lines, you know, life intervened and I got busy, and I was very hit or miss throughout the year, and that's something I really like to start again as a goal for this year. And so I'm going to try to do that, definitely. Now, was this before? Let's see. What's on the other half of this? Nope, it's right here. Okay. And they do have the sermon notes for Sunday's church service. If you go and you want to journal and write down some stuff while you're at church, which I think is great, I will bring this with me. Of course, this is my transforming planner that we just did. And so what's really great about it is the fact that I can be in it, and I consider this kind of part of my wellness. My faith is kind of part of my well-being, and so I can be right next to each other. They're right one-on-one, go together. So that's going to be it. Like I said, if you want to follow along, if you're part of my Facebook group, let me know. There's this thread on there about how many people would like to start a journal, and a few people have reminded me of it to do some kind of a plan with me. I don't know if it'll be a live video in there. I don't totally know logistics on how we would do it, but I would love to get together and just worship the Lord together on a weekly basis and see if we can make some use of it. So let me know if you want to be part of it. It will be, the description for the Facebook group is in my comments, and then if you do, let's figure out a way to make it work. So put your noggin on. If you have any epiphanies, message me, let me know, and we'll try to find a way to get that all going. But I hope you enjoyed this video and cannot wait to see you. We should have some fun-filled stuff happen, and a giveaway winner announced, and then the last giveaway of Planmas to go. So it's almost over, guys, and then before we know it, Christmas will be here, and the presents and all the fun. And I'm so sad that I can't use my Christmas sticker book after. Well, I mean, I guess I could. There's no law. But all right, everyone, I will see you next time. Can't wait to see you soon. Have a great rest of your day.